afternoon and hello everyone. Welcome to another video. So today's recipe is going to be rich curd egg poriyal. So come on, let's get into the recipe. So I have taken here 2 large pieces of rich curd, washed, peeled off the skin, and I have cut into small pieces. Now I am going to cook this rich curd with very little water and some salt. Now let this cook for 10 minutes in a simmer. Now the rich curd have become very soft and mushy and it's ready. Now keep this aside and we will prepare the egg poriyal now. So for this I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, one large onion. Saute this for a minute. To this I am adding 2 number green chillies, some curry leaves. Saute this as well. To this I am adding 1 medium sized chopped tomatoes. To this a half teaspoon of red chilli powder, some salt. Saute this for a minute. Make sure that the spices won't burn. To this I am adding 1 egg. Now scramble this egg well. When this egg is almost cooked, I am going to add the cooked rich curd. Combine these two well and let this cook in the simmer for 2 more minutes. And the rich curd egg poriyal is ready.